bright enough, or have I got it too dark? Oh, that's better. Oh, the dishwasher? Oh yeah, dishwasher. Washing machine has gone mental. Hi guys, I hope it's not too bad in the background. Welcome to, or back to my channel. Hey, I'm Ellen if you're new here. I'm looking a bit like orange and fresh faced at the moment because I have literally just got back off holiday last night. We went to Greece and today is the day that I've been waiting for my whole life. I am going to the Barbie movie premiere. I can't actually, like, every time I say it, like, I literally just can't believe I'm saying it. I'm so excited. But I thought I would do a, I thought I would do a little, like, spend the day with me while I kind of put her around getting ready and kind of take you along with me, obviously, for the actual event as well. The event will obviously, I'm not going to take this camera, it will be filmed on my iPhone just because I don't think I'd be allowed to take this camera in, I would imagine. I'm also on an embargo in terms of being allowed to talk about the movie until the 20th of July, so this will be going up on probably on the 20th of July because I'll do a little review of the movie at the end. I will obviously say if I'm going to tell any spoilers, and if you don't want to hear those, then you can like click off the video or whatever you want to do. At the end, towards the end of the video, I will basically give a heads up. We have just gone and done a food shop. It is 11:15 and we are going to put on some lunch because we are doing jack potatoes, which if you ever make jack potatoes, you know they take forever. So we're just going to stick those in the oven. Pete's going to go to the gym and I am going to go and get my nails a bit more barbified. They are quite Barbie at the moment. My nails are like always pink. I think I'm going to go nude, so I think I'm actually getting them less barbified. I need to get my eyebrows done as well. So that is what's on the to-do list this morning for prep. I did want to try and fit a run in, but I'm not quite sure where I'm going to fit that in. I will get my nails done and then see how I'm going. I think I need about an hour and a half to get ready because I'm going to like wash my hair, curl my hair, and I'm also going to do like full glam makeup. Like, it's the Barbie premiere, I'm obviously doing full glam. So there's things to be done that will take time. So if I don't fit a run in, I don't fit a run in, and I'm just okay with it. So can we just talk about how expensive food shops are getting? This, like, to be fair, we've got loads of like fruit and veg and stuff, which seems to be quite expensive at the moment. But this food shop came to like 50 quid and it just doesn't look like it. Like, it doesn't to me look like a 50 quid food shop. I'm gonna start doing the snack and glow method from, her name's Becca, I forget how her name is, Becca something, on, I think she's a TikToker mainly, but she has this thing that she calls the snack and glow method, which is basically about like making like nice little like snacks for yourself instead of like binging out on shitty stuff. So I've got like loads of bits to make like snacks for lunch, and Pete got me a, is that everything out? No. Pete got me a lunch box which has like a snack box in the top, so it's like quite a chunky lunch box, but I have a chunky bag I take to work, so it's fine. I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. So this is the bag options. This is just the bag I'm using now. It's just the Uniqlo one, but it's between these three, and I've just posted on Instagram and everyone's telling me to use this one, but it goes a bit better with my sister's dress. So I'm gonna take these two with me and give one to my sister. This is just a bit casual, I think, so it won't be that one. These are the two. This is a Cult Gaia. It is a clutch bag, but I've added this little string to it just because I like to have it as a shoulder bag. And then this one is Baggy London. It comes in so many different colours and it's so cute, cool, really cool, sustainable brand. I think Cult Gaia is actually susty as well, but I've had this bag for about 4 or 5 years now. This is the colour I'm thinking for my nails. This sort of like pearlescent number. I think it's called Bubble Bath, maybe Bubble Bath, but yeah, I'm gonna take these two with me and see which one Laura wants. So it has been a few hours since I last spoke to you. I've only got my nails done, we've had lunch. I'm not 100% sure on my nail colour, but I like how they look in terms of like the length and stuff. But I need to think that, oh God, sorry, this nail colour isn't just for Barbie, it's for the next few weeks. So that is what I was going for, not just a Barbie nail, but yeah, I'm not sure. Kind of, it looked more like clear, sparkly on the fake nail, and yeah, I'm not sure. Oh, my lips are a little bit burnt, I think they're very dry. So yeah, I am getting ready. It's about, what time is it? 3:15. I'm gonna leave in about an hour, or try to leave in about an hour, so I need to get on with it. I am gonna try and do a bit of a Barbie girl look. So I've got my like Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette, which has lots of pinks in, so I think that is gonna be like the basis of what I'm gonna, where is that? Here. What I'm gonna try and do. I think it's this palette, I don't know what it's called. Pillow Talk. Oh, it's the Pillow Talk one. I've also got the Pillow Talk lip liner, but I think I'm gonna wear Selena Gomez, the rare one. But yeah, that is the colours I'm gonna go for because they're pinky, and yeah, let's see what we can do with this. She's also going to be doing like workshops as well, which I think will be really cool, because sometimes she obviously sells on her website, which I just love, but it's hard to like know how many to buy and like styling them. I can also do like so I've just blow dried my hair, and I really can't decide what to do hair wise. Kind of tempted to just do it all straight because I think it's quite chic, and also easier than curling, but I also kind of like this weird little flick at the end. I think it's very like 90s Barbie, so I could just flick the whole thing out. Oh, that would be fine with straight. Let's do that, let's do that. Ah, panic. Hi guys, so I'm ready. I've just got to do my, oh sorry, you're in the background. Just got to do my lips, but I've really committed to the bit. I've got pink pearly earrings on, pearl necklace, gingham dress. I'll switch you around and show you my dress in a bit, but I'm going to put on the Rare Beauty lip liner in, I think this is just like called Pink or something, I don't forget. Kind Words, oh Humble, that's what it's called, and then Refine lip gloss over. And this is the outfit. I'm wearing this gorgeous Nobody's Child dress with puff sleeves and a cute little waist with blue shoes, which I thought was like a bit of a vibe. I thought like the idea would be like, you know, when like you're younger and you like pair your Barbie's clothes all wrong and stuff. And I thought obviously I could wear pink shoes, but I thought there'd be something fun about like just having that like extra pop of colour. And it's very me as well to do like the colour clashing as well. So yeah, I'm really, really happy with this look. And I've gone very pink for the eyes and big like winged eyeliner, which isn't how I normally wear my makeup, but it felt right for this. I need to spritz my face as well with setting spray and put all my rings on, and then I'm actually ready to go. Also taking these Most Wanted wines, which are like cans of wine, which we love to see it, as me and Laura's road beers. Oh, I might get some straws to go with these as well. Yeah, let's do that. I'm so scared I'm gonna go right now. So on our seat we have a dash water. I hope you can hear me. And we can also watch the premiere going on. Dash water. We are in the very seats at the back. And oh my god, she looks amazing! And Barbie popcorn.
This is just the beginning as far as I'm concerned. So how did you find...
I actually can't believe that you're here. No, I can't believe. I feel like I'm dreaming. I don't know what's happening right now. At the Barbie.
that were like amazing about Barbie, but all the fights about Barbie. And honestly, I loved Barbie, but my mom did not love Barbie when I was growing up, and I also had to like make sure that my mom's view was represented.
To welcome the woman behind it all. So please make her feel so welcome. The incredible director, writer and executive producer, Greta V. Gerwig.
Being here tonight, but I wanted to give out a shout out to Kingsley Benadir, Scott Evans, and Michael Cera. Emerald Fennell, Anna Cruz Kane, Sharon Rooney, Emma Mackey, Hari Neff, Alexandra Schiff. And I think we need to keep moving down. We've got Will Ferrell. America Ferrera, Ryan Gosling, and our producer and our beautiful Barbie, it's Margot Robbie. Margot, are you going to say something? Or
I am. There's just so many of us up here. It's hard to see the genius that is Greta Gerwig standing at the end of the line.
Guys, so I've just got ready for work. It's my first day back after holiday, and it is the morning after the night before. So we went to the Barbie premiere last night. Obviously that's what this whole video is about. I'm a little bit tired, bear with me. Yeah, we attended the premiere last night, which was the most insane experience. I tried to get as much footage as I could, but I really just wanted to be in the moment, because I've never done, sorry, I don't know what that noise was. I've never done anything like that before, and it was like really magic actually. It was really, really, really amazing. So me and Laura arrived around 6, which I think is a bit early to get there. The vibe I got, none of the celebs were there or anything yet. They were all outside walking the red carpet. So if I were to go to a premiere again, I probably would get there a little bit later so I can see them a little bit more in real life. And then we took our seats, and we were in the IMAX theatre, and you could watch the red carpet ongoing. So we could see all the interviews. It was a TikTok live stream, I think, so we could see all the interviews and stuff, which was so amazing to watch all of those, hear what all the cast and crew had to say before coming in. And then the movie started, and Margot Robbie and Greta Gerwig did a little kind of intro to the movie before, and then we watched it. It's a really short movie actually. It felt really short anyway, but oh my god, it's so good. It's just a really sweet, heartfelt story with these strong feminist undertones. It's just, oh, it's really, really great. The outfits were amazing. Of course, the set design was unreal. All the acting was just perfect. I knew I was going to gush about this film. I didn't quite know how much I was going to love it. I think it kind of is every kind of grown-up Barbie girl's who's a little bit into politics is idea of the perfect movie. It was really the female cast was so strong, and the storyline was so perfect. Oh, I don't want to give spoilers for if you haven't seen it, but my favourite character was probably definitely America Ferrari. Ferrari is how you say her last name? But yeah, I thought she was absolutely brilliant, and I guess because she was just a normal woman. And there's a scene in the movie, which is a spoiler, so skip over this, where she gives this really, I'm getting goosebumps thinking about it, powerful speech about what it means to be a woman. And the whole I was listening to it, and I looked at my sister and was oh, and there was like, I felt like I wanted to clap at the end, and the whole room just like burst into applause after that moment, because it was really, really powerful. And it was like so cool to be sitting in the room with the people who created that moment, and like for them to like see the audience's reaction to it, which was just, yeah, like pure applause, which was amazing. And it was really cute also when they were running the credits at the beginning. It was like Mattel Productions, Warner Bros Productions. You could hear like the groups of people from each of those teams like cheering, and it was really nice, like really kind of surreal experience to be around the people who created what is going to be such an iconic movie, which was really cool. And then we attended the after party afterwards, which was in the Tate Modern, which was, I was like just expecting it, I don't know, I was expecting like corporate vibes, I guess, but oh my god, it was like honestly like walking into Barbie Dreamland. I got some footage of it, but it was so fantastic. I feel so blessed to have been able to experience that. It was really cool. Like obviously the whole cast were there, a lot of like it was like industry people, I would say, which was very cool to experience and be part of. And me and my sister did take home souvenirs with us, so they had these like cushions everywhere. So I got the America Ferrera, that's how you say her name, Ferrera one, Barbie cushion, and then I got this little Barbie cushion too, and also a Barbie towel as well. So when me and Laura got there, Laura was like, I think we can take all the stuff on the, like they had like deck chairs out and stuff, and I was like, I think it's just props. And then we saw like people walking out with them, so I just went and asked the security lady, I was like, can I take a cushion? She was like, yeah, take whatever you want, which was pretty cool. So yeah, got a few little mementos. I just really wanted something to remember the day by, because yeah, super cool. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I hope it was fun to see like a little bit of an insight into like what the premiere was like and stuff. And yeah, I will gonna vlog this weekend, but I'd probably be up before this actually. So we're gonna go to, me and Pete are doing the bottomless brunch at Nobu, so I'm gonna take you along to that and show you that. And yeah, I will catch up with you in my next video. Bye guys.